they don't have a solution to this problem except to borrow. It's not like they want to borrow. It's not like they want to keep getting into debt, but they don't know how to fix a system that is seriously broken. The Medicare system is broken. Social Security is broken. So many things are broken, and they don't know how to fix it.
Do you think, as many do, that America needs to go back to building things rather than consuming?
I think they do need to go back to building things. However, do I think that's a reality? Roads, cars, maybe, but not to the degree when we had this industrial revolution here and everything was happening here. I think the answer is people are going to have to become entrepreneurial. They're going to have to become their own bosses. The day of working for a corporation, you get a pension after 30 years and health benefits, gone. So if you really want to be secure, you're going to have to be your own boss.
I mean, look, it's fine for you because you're a very bright cookie. You started as a waitress in a restaurant and built this incredible empire.